Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix iPhone Safari keeps crashing. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your recent apps and first close the Safari app and reopen it on your device. If that does not work, what you can do is simply head over to settings on your device, scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Once you're here, you can simply head over to the search apps and then start typing in Safari. Tap on Safari. Once you're here, what you can do is and then clear history and website data of Safari and try again. If that too does not work, what you can do is simply head over to recent apps, force close Safari and both the apps, and then what you can do is head over to App Store, search for Safari in the search bar, and if there are any updates of Safari, you can update it to the latest version. If this does not work, try updating your device as well. Simply head over to settings, head over to general, head over to software update, and make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. If that too does not work, simply head over to your quick settings, long press on the power icon, restart your device and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.